This is still really hot, but my bird's already going crazy. Excuse you, Caspian. Excuse you, Tessia. They want their Bird Street. Sheeta! Sheeta, excuse you, ma'am. Have some, look, Beans already knows where I'm gonna put it. Y'all have no patience. I know you guys love Bird Street Bistro. We all love it, but you guys need to be patient. Oh my gosh, people are gonna think I don't feed you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, so this is how Bird Street got us acting. Excuse me, I don't have it in my hand, bro. Go in the bowl. It's not on the phone. Go in the bowl. Goodness. Tessia, do you mind moving your big butt? Do you mind? Thank you. Caspian, you are so dumb. I'm so sorry. I love you, but you are so dumb. It's over there, bro. It's over there. Yeah, I know. Enjoy your Bird Street Bistro. I'm not gonna take it away. Go get it, buddy. Go get it. You're so dumb, but you're so cute. Can you hurry up and eat? Because I gotta go put Potsu's in his bowl. And don't be mean. Do not be mean. Here. There you go. Everybody can get some. You really don't. He really wants me to just feed him out of my hand. There you go. There's my hungry, hungry hippos. Tessia, be nice. Hey, be nice. Goodness. You're like, I'll wait. I will wait. It's not that serious. You think I have some too? I don't have any, baby. I don't have any. I know. You gotta go down there to get it. She's like the deception. I'm so sorry, you guys. They're so cute. They straight heard me put that bottled water into that mug and put it in the microwave, and they went crazy. Yeah. You guys love your Bird Street Bistro. Messy faces mean happy birds. Messy beaks, happy birds. Okay. I'm going to let them enjoy it. Sheeta, you need to go down there and get some. I know you're a sweet girl and you like to wait your turn, but you need to push Bean's big butt behind to the side and get your food. She's like, nope, I'm a sweet, patient girl. Don't you be throwing anything out of there either, Mr. Picky. Mr. Picky. No. No, no, no. Oh my goodness, they're gonna sleep good tonight. All right, so this other bag of Bird Street Bistro has been a success. I cannot remember which one it was. I think it was the mixed veggies or the garden veggies or something like that. And they absolutely love it. They're going crazy. Sausage, jungle chickens, like soggy jungle chickens. And then my Princess Tessia. I do not, it's not, bro, I swear it's not in my hand. I do not have it. It's in there. Hey, be nice. Yeah, he's a big fat. Good girl, Sheeta. Go get some. All right, guys, till next time. Bird Street Bistro, still a raging success with my feathered babies. All right, say bye, guys. Say bye.